Good morning. I'm here to talk about all the three indexes today, the Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. Doesn't seem to be a lot of action today, but it would be good to continue from yesterday's discussion. So if you were to look at the Dow Jones weekly index, it's cleanly following the channel right now. But yeah, it's kind of on the lower side of the channel. So we would be concerned only if it would come out of the channel and go somewhere like this, right? But right now it's within the channel, and also it's above the 150 and the 200-day moving average, and it is just hugging along the 50-day moving average, which is a red line here, right? So we have to wait and watch what happens. If you were to look at the daily chart, yeah, it's kind of contracting, right? So usually when that happens, we can expect some kind of an explosive action, right? So let's wait and watch what happens. But yeah, one thing to watch is we kind of made a lower high here. I would say almost equal, right? So that's one small indication that it wasn't able to break the previous higher high. Right, so we just keep a watch out for that. Right, but apart from that, it's still within the channel, so we just gotta follow the trend right now. It is upward, and keep a watch that it's going to break the channel and come out. Right. Nasdaq, pretty much the same thing. It's kind of following this channel. The only concern with Nasdaq is decisively broken the 50-day moving average in the last few days, and yesterday's candle was fairly negative, right? So that's one area of concern. Yeah, it has taken the 150-day moving average support today, I guess, and hence it is kind of bouncing a bit. But we got to see if it were to sustain the 150-day and the 200-day moving average. Yeah, if it were to break the 200-day moving average decisively, then all bets are off. But yeah, let's see if that were to happen. And if other concern could be that if it were to come outside the channel, so that's one more thing that we got to see, just like in Dow Jones. So if we were to see, if it were to come outside the channel like this, then that could be an area of concern. But let's hope, from a bull standpoint, it might just continue to move up like this, and then move like this. So let's see which way it is going to follow. But if it will come outside the channel, we could see like a prolonged consolidation or a retracement in Nasdaq. As far as the S&P 500 is concerned, similar. It's kind of moving in this channel, not exactly a channel. It's almost like a wedge. But yeah, it's moving within that. And if it were to kind of break the 150-day moving average, 200-day moving average, and decisively come out of the channel like this, and similar concern, right? So we're seeing a fairly similar price action in all the three indexes from a pattern standpoint, and all the three indexes have also kind of, forming a base here. They've not been able to take out the previous highs, so you can say it's some kind of a base here, on the daily chart, right? Kind of a wavy base, which is usually also a bullish signal if it were to go above this and kind of break out of the consolidation zone, which might also happen. But we got to wait and watch which way it goes. But yeah, some of the previous days candles have been, I would say fairly negative and kind of very bearish. So yeah, if you look at S&P 500, it's also floating below the 50-day moving average, and yesterday's candle was fairly negative, just like the Nasdaq candle. So let's wait to watch what happens, and keep a close watch on the movement of the indexes either ways. Thank you. This is Nitin Jain here, and I'm signing off for the day. Bye bye.